Hey there, happy Halloween. I'm Mark, and I'm glad you're with me today because we'll be drawing some vampire teeth and some lips, this really cool and spooky mouth. Now, all you guys need for this drawing is a sheet of paper, a pencil, an ink pen, and some markers. Remember, while you're watching this video, if I'm going a little bit too fast, all you have to do is click the pause button, and once you're ready to continue, just hit it again, and you can continue along your way. Don't forget to watch the end when I color in this drawing. It's really cool, you don't want to miss it. To start off my drawing, I'm going to start with the top of my lips. I'm going to start with this hook over to the left, and then we're going to come up and we're going to create the bend for the top lips. This is going to kind of bend and come back up, and then over here we're going to create this long arch that points over in this direction. Now my lip is going to be at a slight angle like this. So this is going to be the corner of the mouth right here, and this is going to be the other corner. So as you come down this direction, this will hook, and then this will come back in this direction. This will come down slightly, and then we'll round the lower lip here, and there'll be a little bit of a bump right there. And then we're going to join this like that all the way into this corner. Just like that. Okay, the next thing I'll do is I'm going to come from just above this line here, and I'm going to draw a little line like this. And then we're going to come, this will be the inner part of the top lip. So we're going to come and we're going to curl this around like that. So this will be rounded. And then this is going to come and get closer to this edge here. And then this doesn't have to be perfectly straight there. We can create a little bit of just some angular and subtle lines. And then as you're coming down here, see how narrow we are here? We're going to want to widen this as you get down over here. And then this will come like this. So the bottom of the lip will be a little bit thicker right here. Just like that. And then we'll stop right about here. And then we'll pick up the other side of the lip over here. And then we'll just draw a little corner like that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a tooth down over here. We're going to come up like this and down. So this will be the lower tooth. And we're going to do the other one right about here. This will point kind of like to the left. This one's pointing to the right. And this one's going to point to the left. Just like that. Now we'll try to get these as close to the same size as possible. Then we can create some teeth down here like this. So we'll just create a few lower teeth. Probably put like 4 over here, just like that. Then I'm going to create a line that comes from almost like where this tooth is here. I'm going to create a curve like this, and this is going to come down. So this is going to be the tongue, and this is going to come up and down like that. Then I'm going to create a top tooth. So I'm going to come from right about here. I'm going to come over to the left, and then I'm going to come down. And I don't want to go past this halfway line. I want to leave some space. And then we're going to come up like that. And then I'll draw a tooth over here. This will be a tooth that's about halfway from the length of that. Then all the way over to this other side, right about here, we'll create another tooth like this. Like that, and then this will point in that direction. And then I'm gonna have a couple like little jaggedy shapes like this. And then I'm gonna come and we're gonna have some teeth that follow this line here. It's parallel to that line there. So what I'm gonna do is, starting over here, inside of this tooth, I'm gonna create a curve like that. We'll come up and down. And then this shape here will be like rounded. We'll come back up. And then I'm gonna have a tooth here. So we're gonna have two bigger teeth shapes right here. And these will be split like this. So we'll have one here. So this is gonna be like the front tooth. This is one front tooth here, like that. And then there's gonna be the other one right about here. And then we'll just have like a little space there. And then this is just gonna go into the other long vampire tooth there. And then we'll end and come up like that into the lip. Then we can add some details with some kind of like these little curved lines for the lip. So we can just put a few of these in like that. Put a couple down here, and then just put a couple. And these will, I'll use my thicker ink marker, so these will look a lot cleaner. But you could just put a few in to just kind of like as placeholders right now. And then if you want to go back to the top, what you can do here is we'll just kind of roll these like that. These would be come in like this. You have a few over there, and then we just want to have these rolling, and then some will be rolling in this direction. And then as you get over to this side, they'll start to curl towards the right, and then you have a few over there. It's kind of like eyelashes, but they're for the upper lip. All right, so for my next part, instead of using a thin ink marker, I'm gonna use my Sharpie. It's a little bit thicker, and I'm just gonna outline my drawing. All right, since we markered everything in using pretty much all just black, if you have some pencil lines that you'd still like to get rid of, go ahead and erase those now. All right, if yours didn't turn out like mine, it's okay. You just have to head on down to the description, click the link, and you can download my coloring page, and then have fun coloring in the rest of this with me. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video on drawing these vampire lips. If you did, please like my video and subscribe to the channel. I do videos every weekday, and until the next one, I'll see you then. Have a good one. Happy Halloween.